Oh yes, I would like to have a reservation, please.
Of course, may I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Crisel.
Thank you, Miss Crisel. When are you planning to stay with us?
Can you check if July 20th is available?
Sure. Yes, we do have room available. What room would you prefer? A deluxe room, a suite room, or standard room? I highly recommend the deluxe room. They come with complimentary, feels like a queen experience.
I think a deluxe room would be great.
Great choice! Our deluxe room will come with a king-size bed, a beautiful view of the city, and complimentary breakfast. Plus, you get to feel fancy.
That sounds good.
Excellent! May I have your contact information and a credit card slip for your reservation?
Yeah, sure. Here's my contact information and my credit card.
Thank you. Your reservation is confirmed. You'll be staying with us from July 20th to July 25th in the deluxe room. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Nothing, but maybe just an airport pickup would do.
Certainly. May I have your flight details?
Yes, my flight arrives at 9 a.m. on July 20th and my flight number would be 030503.
Got it. I'll arrange the pickup for you. Is there anything else, like room service or spa reservation?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, Ms. Crisel. If you need anything else, just call or text us. Have a great day!
Thank you. You too. Have a great day.